Hello. Every trader knows the golden rule: follow the trend. But the real question is, when does it start, when does it end, and when is it about to reverse? Meet advantage trading lines, your secret weapon for spotting trends early, maximizing gains, and protecting your profits like a pro. Tested, optimized, and tuned with statistical precision, this powerful indicator package helps you stay on the right side of the trade every time. Ready to trade smarter, not harder? Let's dive in and see how it works. But before we go into more details, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and it's not intended as financial advice. The views and strategies described may not be suitable for all investors. Before making any investment decisions, it's recommended to do your own research and consider seeking advice from financial professional. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All right. What you see in front of you is a default setting for Advantage Trading Lines workspace. It says Advantage Trading Lines EXT 10.0. 10.0 is for TradeStation 10.0. And what you get with this indicator, with this actually package of indicators, you actually can't get any closer to trend following than with using Advantage Trading Lines. All right, before we jump into radar screen, let's talk about the charts. So what do you see on the chart? You see two lines. One is farther from the price, the other one is closer to the price. The basic idea is if you want to trade using trend following logic, first you establish the dominant trend. This is the thick line right here. And then you take more aggressive signals from a shorter trailing line. This is the dashed line right here. And that's pretty much it. This indicator has limited inputs. Length is obviously the width of the indicator. The default setting for the trend is 5. The default setting for the signal is 2 or 2.5, depending on your preferences. So let's see what happens if we change it to 10. So the our trend gets farther from the price. Let's go back to 10, and then actually end of the bar and intra bar we'll take a look with on this input when we'll be talking about signal line. And then standard and aggressive the same. Positions long, short, we have all positions for let's say if you want to be only for shorts. So this is the trailing lines for short positions. So in the downtrend, it shows you the resistance. Actually, it shows you the trend, and in the uptrend, it shows you the resistance right here. And once the resistance broken, then the trend continues. Visibility all the time or only for active positions. Since we don't have active positions, then we'll stick to this setting. Okay, and display options. I will show you a couple display options, but let's see. Actually, PDF. Sorry. So these are the settings for indicator. You can choose from direction 1, type, weight, custom, and the default setting is direction. So right here you see direction. If we change it to direction 1, this actually doesn't really change. If we change the signal line, the line will be different. You don't see this dashed line because this is a solid line for a trend. So that's one thing. Then the other option is type. I'll show you with signal line, and then wait. If you type wait, then the line will get thicker. The farther, the larger the length, the thicker the line. So let's go to 1 to see the difference. See, this is you can barely see the blue line. If we go to 10, it will be really thick, like this. Okay. Go to direction. All right, let's go to signal line. If you are trading this trend following logic, then in the uptrend from the solid line, you would take long entry right here and then exit right here, then another long entry right here, and then the position is still open. Let's see what will happen if we change it. If we change the I told you about end of bar, intra bar. So right now it is set for end of bar. So it means that the crossover will not happen until the bar closes below the line or above the line. So right here there was a really close. Let's change it to maybe 1.5. 1 point. Actually, so let's do 175. So right here, the lower wick of this candle penetrated our signal line, and since we have our setting of intrabar, then you would get the exit signal. If we change it back to end of bar, it will the exit signal will not get triggered. Let's go back to 2, and then there's another thing. Standard and aggressive. Aggressive version is for high volatility periods. So it actually keeps the trailing line closer to the price. You can visualize it when your, let's say, RSI is really overbought. Then the signal line will be kept closer to the price. The same will work for the opposite in the downtrend. When the downtrend is strong and the price is extended into the downside, then your signal line will be kept really close to the price. And the basic one is direction. I'll show you one more thing. So right now you have a blue line in the uptrend and the red line in the downtrend. If you choose type, it will actually show you the type of the trailing line, either standard or aggressive. So right now we're on standard. So are we? No, we're on aggressive. So we're on aggressive, then the signal line will be red. If you go back to standard, then it'll be blue. As simple as that. Let's go back to the direction. All right, so this is a indicator. Right now, the radar screen. We have two indicators loaded in the radar screen. First, it's actually the same indicator, but with different outputs. Advantage trailing lines with profit, signals, and value, and then another advantage trailing lines with signals and value. So this one, the one on the right, is your trend. So you can see we're on Nasdaq, 16,986, and this is the value of the trend line. And then for signal line, it's 17,800 something. It's right here, the value. And both are in an uptrend, and the profit from last position from signal line is 3.95%. So it takes the entry. The difference between entry and the current price is almost 4%. Let's go back to the PDF. Here with radar screen, you can also customize your output, your options, the signals or trend or whatever you would like to see. So let's play with this a little bit. Let's play with this indicator. So the length is set to end of bar, standard for all positions, and right now we are seeing all options. If you choose signals only, you will get only the new signals, and new signal meaning new down. Right here there is a also there is a alerts that are you can turn it on, turn it off, whatever you like. So the new down on Baidu, last candle broke the signal line and the trend changed. We have new down on the other thing right here, and then on ISRG new up. Right here there was a new up. So these are signals. You can also set it to signals and warnings. Warnings will tell you when the price is getting close to your signal line. We have one warning, ASML. The close, the last candle is really close to the signal line. So if you are interested in this symbol, you can watch it. Is there another one? There's another warning right here. This is actually another possible short entry because the trend is down, and then the signal line is maybe about to be broken, or it's actually really close. Signal warnings. Also there is a trend. it will only show you the uptrend or downtrend. It's either one, and the signals, the new signals, will be highlighted by the red or blue background. You can then there's a trend and warnings, etc., etc. You can play around and see which combination you like the most. Let's go back to maybe not all, but all one, so you can see the difference. So now you will see the new down, new up, new down, and then the gray ones are your warnings right here. So right here we have a warning, BIBB, BIIB. So the price is close to the signal line. We have another warning on this symbol. We already seen that. Okay, and what else? Okay, let's see how profit works. Moderna. So we had an entry right here because we had a uptrend, and then the signal changed around 110. Right now we're at 166, which is almost 50% profit. We have also for the downtrend something. On the opposite, we had a downtrend, another short entry for from signal line, and then your trailing stop is at 320, price is 275. So I guess this is pretty straightforward. I just want to show you how to order this indicator. So go to advantagetrading.net, hit TradeStation indicators, look for advantage trailing lines. There is a video you can watch about simple trading strategies, also on our YouTube. Request a free trial, give us your customer number, network ID, so we can give you access, your email, and hit order. We will get back to you within 24 hours. We usually don't send emails on the weekends, so if you order your indicator on Friday afternoon or Friday evening, then the most probable scenario will be that you will get an email from us early on Monday. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like this this indicator. Like I said, Advantage Trading Lines is a part of Advantage trading package. There will be a separate video about Advantage trading package, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, trade safe, and till next time. Thank you.